This is at the Embassy Suites in Loveland. We got glass Gen 2s. You can actually look up and you can see the motors and controllers and such up there.
You ready to walk through the truck?
Yeah. And look, they got this awesome neon light fixture here as well. But anyway, got one coming. Just kidding. All right, let's go take our ride.
We're really just gonna skip that intro anyway.
Hopefully we should get one that isn't too busy. This is a really pretty lobby too.
I think this one is a red one. Just trying to grab the middle ones too.
Yeah, that'd have to miss. Sorry, we just like elevators.
No, you're fine.
These are actually really nice.
It is pretty cool.
No, we were like, yeah, we were just driving through. We're like, this is a neat place.
Oh, you're not even staying here?
No, we just go around to different places to check them out.
That's hilarious. We're staying here for the first time.
Very nice. Welcome to Colorado.
Yeah, have a good night.
You as well. Take care.
Going up.
Series 5.
This is actually pretty neat.
I'm gonna get a picture of the white Series 5s.
It's always nice when people are like cool instead of judgy.
So it'd be like, that's what.
Yeah, she was actually kind of amused by it.
Yeah.
We come right up to the roof, but we don't go through it. Yeah, I guess I saw that and I was worried.
Premium floor.
The premium floor. Whoa. All right, I had to cut the camera briefly to wipe off the lens, but all right, we'll ride back down. What I was gonna say earlier is you really don't see properties of this age that have this much like actual effort put into them.
Red. Oh no, we got the same car. Do you want to send it back to the lobby and try to get the middle car?
It's fine, I don't really care.
The middle car's got the white buttons.
Well, the thing is, it's like, these are pretty busy, so
I'm sure we can.
I'll just take whatever car we can get that's empty.
Well, I'm gonna try to get the middle car because it's got rare white Series 5. These are pretty quick too. 350? I think that's the max.
I bet, yeah, probably. Well, that actually could go 500. These seem like 350 though.
Let's see if we can get on the middle car.
We can speed test them. Just left?
Get off that one and see if I can get the middle.
Okay.
I want to get the middle car. Otherwise, we can actually wait and see if it goes.
There goes that one.
The middle car is probably going to pull the left car. Oh no, it got
Hey, there we go. Get a look at this lobby. It's a good song.
white buttons on Series 5.
Series 5, yeah, you don't see that.
Take that noise. Get focus.
This really is a cool property though.
Yeah. As much as I love this song, it would screw me over.
No, yeah, that's why I'm trying to talk a little bit. So, like, it's quiet enough that I don't think the system will pick up on it, but
Generally not. You want to just go back and head out?
yeah.
Here's how you can tell that we're not in Denver.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's not FEOK1.
Yeah.
It's
Series 5.
UTF.
These are so fast. We could probably just look up the speed on the Denver.
Well, when it's not in Denver, it doesn't always say on the records. That's awesome. Very cool. Get a look at the panel.
I just realized I cut the video with it. Hey, look, a pack of honey.
Look at that. Anyway,
It doesn't compare
And
to an elevator struggle.
that's it.